I gotta keep a larger profile away from her. Welcome back to another episode of We're Gonna Try and Figure This Out on Our Own. Today we are going to be installing this back rack on the Kontraa. This is a lockable back rack. This is going to pack our drone, our laptop, random computer stuff so that it doesn't get damaged. But it's going to go into this Nanook case. Look at all the fancy stickers. Let's see how it goes. We upgraded the table. We're no longer using the Disney table. Another side rail, bolts, and back plate. So, normal. I'll probably read the instructions afterwards. I'm assuming these come out a lot looser than I thought they were going to be. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh, there we go. As long as my bike doesn't fall apart when I pull these out. I don't think they actually hold anything in. The instructions come in a QR code. I don't want to read a QR code, so I'm not going to. It's pretty simple when you start pulling things out. Trusty orange Loctite. This is one of the mods that I'm fairly excited for. We've went back and forth so long trying to figure out how we were going to pack the drone, and I don't want it breaking. So we bought this to protect everything. I did it wrong. Let's try this a different way. They don't sit flat. Oh, that's better. When you put it in this way, everything sits level. Spacers on this side. One of them goes in real easy. One of them not so much. I also like this because it kind of gives you a little grab handle for if Tanya is riding back here. We can't put the plate on until we mount it onto here. Yes, yeah, it sits that way. I have to drill holes through this and then reseal and add these grommets to it.
Here we've got the components of the slider rack. This is the slider.
We're watching the instructions. The video didn't teach me anything. It can't be that hard. Put the spacers in, line it up, make sure everything's straight underneath here. Now I have to mark those holes. Stabbing myself with a Sharpie, dropping things on my feet. It'd be nice if it just came with a template, but it doesn't. Lined up. Try it with a punch. I don't feel confident enough. See how much it moves when you do that? Gonna go drill some holes. Holes are drilled. Kind of annoying. It lines up right on a bump. My plan is to silicone under the washers to get a watertight seal. It's just one bolt through the plastic. These two in the back sit crooked. Very awkward. Yeah, I'll definitely have to widen some things out. Measure twice, cut once type thing. Probably should have done that. Go do some adjusting. Does it fit? Yes. I made the holes like the perfect size for the bolt to go through. I'm gonna make them a little bit bigger in all of them. And then when I actually do go to put this thing completely down, I will loosen everything off, slide it into place, bolt everything down tightly. That's a good push to put it in, but it works. Put it on the bike now. Everything's got Loctite on it. Now there's 3 of the 4. Clean that, put some more Loctite on it. Well, I shouldn't have to worry about these falling out of here. Ow. It's another one of those days. It's a good thing I don't work like high up in the air where you can't drop anything. So the worst part about this is our second Pelican case. Turns out it was too small. I had to buy another one. Just having to sell all this stuff that we bought gets frustrating too. So if anybody's getting into this, let us know. See if we can help you out with some stuff. Look at that. Being able to use some leverage, I should be able to drop. And wow. And this back one's not lining up at all. Well, there, it goes on. Then it locks into place, unlock, and push. Oh, it comes out of there very nice. Yeah, so I don't want to have to go through that every time I want to put it on. I believe it's this back one. I have to shim them, get them all level. Easy access. But this in here is where, if I can get a plate of aluminum, very thin, to go across, that'll hold everything level, and then do the same thing underneath. Bam. There we go. Hi.
We're getting ready to go to town. We're gonna go practice a little bit because we booked my road test.
Why do you sound nervous about it now?
I'm a little nervous.
Tanya goes in a week.
Officially a week.
Yeah, a week from today.
Yeah.
She goes in for her road test. So off to town again to
Practice a
do
little
the
bit.
things.
Yep. Get ready.
I also just dropped my bike because I forgot to put the kickstand down.
Yeah. And he forgot to turn his camera on.
Yeah.
Gotta let people see.
Well, I didn't know I was going to drop it.
But once it's down,
I wanted to get it up. I was mad.
yeah, that's what happens. You don't have to catch up to me.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to town.
The box mounted. Works wonderfully. I have it sealed on the inside, water tested it. I got these steel brackets that I built in there to give it some structure, but it works very good so far. We'll see what it's like going down the highway now. Yeah, because what happened at the last stop sign?
I may or may not have fell off my bike and onto yours.
Outside this time.
Yeah. What's leaking? Oh.
Good.
Yeah.
How's this mirror?
It's still good.
Oh, that one scraped that pretty bad. You're good? Your knee doesn't hurt?
Nope.
You hit the ground pretty hard with it.
I didn't even feel it.
Because you got knee pads on. I gotta keep a larger profile away from her because she fell off right as I was pulling up beside her at a stop sign.
Right after I just said I was more comfortable. I guess I meant comfortable on the ground.
Yep. Oh, hi back there.
Oh, hi. I like being in front better, I think, maybe.
Not today. You got to make sure this case doesn't fall off. I'm nervous.
Yeah, it looks good back there, though.
I don't know if it's making the bike ride weird or if I'm just thinking, but it feels like my bike it bounces different.
Oh. What did you eat today?
I had a pickled egg, so maybe.
We were headed to town and we took a detour. Because we can. I don't know if I've ever been down this road before.
No.
Oh, he beat me. Do they not know how stop signs work here?
He wants us to go.
Oh. I think I'm getting the weight better of the bike too though. When, I know I dropped it at the stop sign, but when I pulled up to the house before we went in, it almost went over because it was soft, but I caught it. So I think I just needed to get used to I need to get used to the weight too.
Stop line like 8.
Oh. Of course he is. Whoa. Very windy right there. Whoa.
Yeah, it's fairly windy out here, blowing straight at us right now. If you can tell in the trees or not. And then it looks like it's raining that way, which is good because we definitely need the rain.